Hello everyone and welcome back to Python lessons on Codecademy. Today we will be talking about lists. Lists are a new data type or variable that we will be learning about. They allow you to put more than one variable in them and different types of variables. So you can put a string, an integer, a float in it, and it's going to store all of that information in just one variable. So let's get started. As it says here, lists are a data type you can use to store a collection of different pieces of information as a sequence under a single variable name. So list name equals item 1, item 2. You can go on to item infinity, or close to infinity at least. So let's see what this task requires us to do. So the list zoo animals has 3 items. Check them out on line 1. So zoo animals has pangolin, cassowary, and a sloth. So and it says that there's one animal missing, which I'm guessing we're gonna have to fill out. Go ahead and add a fourth. So let's add dog, because I like dogs. And sorry, cat lovers. Just enter the name of your favorite animal as a string, like we did here, on line 1 after the final comma but before the closing square bracket. To be able to make a list you have to use square brackets, because otherwise it's going to give you an error. And let's see that here, or maybe not. Okay, I don't know, but you should use square brackets anyway. This is probably just made to work anyway. So let's see if it's going to work on Python, on actual Python. So if it wants to load here quicker. Just waiting on Python. There we go. File, new file. Paste that in there. Save on desktop and just call it random.py. And if you have square brackets, but maybe that's what made it work before. Okay, so it still works. I don't know. I just know that you should do it like this either way. So anyway, moving on. How you can access the values in the list is by accessing the index. What the index is the position in which a value is in a list. So the position of 5 in this list is at position 0. Lists start count, or the computer starts counting at 0. It's just how it is. We'll be learning how you can make it start at a different number, or just not be a number later on, but for now just use it as 0, 1, 2, and 3. So the index of 5 is 0, the index of 6 is 1, and so on and so forth. So let's see what this task requires us to do. Write a statement that prints the result of adding the second and fourth items of the list. Make sure to access the list by index. So the second item of this list is 6, and the fourth item of this list is 8. So we need to add those two. How you can do this is by print the name of the list, square brackets, and in the square brackets you put the index of the two numbers that you want to add. So the index of 6 is 1, and plus name of the list and place of the index. So this is going to give you 6 plus 8, which are index 1 and 3. So let's see what happens. Your code looks a bit off. Check the hint if you need help. So number, oh, it's numbers, not number. Okay. Yes, so 6 plus 8 is 14. So let's move on. A list index behaves like any other variable name. It can be used to access as well as assigned values. So what you can do is position 2 of zoo animals is sloth. This is a whole value by itself. So in this value for in this index you can add another data type such as an integer, even another list which can contain another listception, or something else such as a float. You can alter it in any way you wish. So what this task requires us to do is write an assignment statement that will replace the item that currently holds the value tiger, which is at position 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, with another animal as a string. It can be any animal you like. So zoo animals index 3 equals, I don't know. Okay, let's do cat just to make it fair. Let's see what happens. As we can see, it doesn't give an error, which means that it does change tiger to cat. And I didn't realize until now, but tiger is a type of cat. So thank you for watching this video. In the next video we'll be covering a bit more on lists. Thank you for watching, and bye.